afternoon, church. Today's scripture reading will be taken from Genesis 32, from verse 24 to 30, and I will be reading the King James Version. And Jacob was left alone, and there wrestled a man with him until the breaking of day. And when he saw that he prevailed not against him, he touched the hollow of his thigh, and the hollow of Jacob's thighs was out of joint. And he wrestled with him. And he said, Let me go, for the day breaketh. And he said, I will not let thee go until thou bless me. And he said unto him, What is thy name? And he said, Jacob. And he said, Thy name shall be no more Jacob, but Israel, for the prince hast thou power with God and with men, and hast prevailed. And Jacob asked him, and he said, Tell me, I pray, thy name. And he said, Wherefore it is that thou dost after thy name. And he blessed them there. And Jacob called the name of the place Peniel, for I have seen God face to face, and my life is preserved. Here in the reading of God's holy word, we honor by saying thanks be to God.